and we're just entering into the new media center space. So out this door here, this gives them access as they continue to construct the rest of the media center. And the rest of the media center is going to cantilever out here through this door. And then that's going to be fully glass on that side. This is temporary protection to be able to continue working inside the building during the winter. So next spring then this wall is going to get removed, but we'll still give us an amount of time to be able to work out here, and they'll be able to construct the extension for the media center floor that's going to cantilever out from the face of the west face of the building. So I always like coming through the jobs at this point because you can see through the walls and what's above the ceiling. And so just looking down this hallway, you can see the ductwork. We've got water piping. We've got the hydronic piping for the heating and cooling system. We got exhaust. We got fire sprinkler. There's going to be a cable tray that runs through there, and all of that gets hidden by the ceiling. The acoustical ceiling gets laid in here. So. Also in the walls, you can look around in the walls and you can see where your electrical rough-ins are and how all of those are running connected. And then back in some of the other rooms, you can see where the plumbing and the drainage pipe and the water piping are. Classroom pods that rise up 2 stories, and it's kind of nice too because you get an idea of progress throughout the construction, because over there you can see where the bar joists are set, and then the decking material is stocked for installation, and then on the far pod then the decking installation is underway, and then on these nearer pods the decking installation is complete, and then they'll follow up with the next step in the process to be able to prepare for roofing. This building is so big that we need to allow for contraction and expansion. In order to do that, they provide this gap, and it'll have an expansion cover on it. So between winter and summer, with the temperature and just from the regular operation of the building, it's going to expand and contract, and we do that in order to be able to maintain good structure. So in summary, construction began on site with building excavation on the south area in June of last year, but actual building construction began about 12 months ago. We'll be able to occupy the building in August of 22, and then after that we'll proceed to go ahead and remove the existing building and then develop that site for play fields and practice fields.